Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of GrammatiX. Those who are watching it for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today, continuing with the mathematics of class 9th in CRT syllabus, we will be doing the first chapter, number systems, laws of exponents of real numbers. So we have studied the laws of exponents as some of the laws of exponents. A raised to m, a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now a, m and n are natural numbers. Okay, so these are the exponents we had studied, laws of exponents we had studied earlier. So second one is a raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m, b raised to m is equal to ab the whole raised to m. A raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So these are the laws of exponents we had studied for natural numbers, where a is called the base, m and n are called the exponents, and these a, m and n are natural numbers. So now what we are going to do is we are just going to extend these laws of exponents to real numbers, where the base is a real number and the exponents are rational numbers. Now how we are going to do that? How we are going to define nth root of a, where a is greater than 0 and n is a positive integer. So how we are going to do? Now what we have here is nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by n. Now this is what we have to study. Nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by n. Now for example, if I am writing here cube root of 2, so it becomes 2 raised to 1 by 3. Similarly, square root of 8 becomes 8 raised to 1 by 2. So this is how we write the nth root of a number in terms of a rational number as an exponent. For example, if you have to find what is 4 raised to 3 by 2, you have two ways to solve this. The first one is you can do like this, is equal to 4 cube the whole raised to 1 by 2, that is equal to 64 the whole raised to 1 by 2, that's equal to 8. That is 64 the whole raised to 1 by 2 is root of 64 and that is 8. And the second method is 4 raised to 1 by 2 the whole cube, square root of 4 is 2, that is 2 cube and that's equal to 8. So you have two methods to find the value of 4 raised to 3 by 2. Either you can do this way or you can do this way. So finally we arrive at a definition. Let a greater than 0 and m and n are integers. Okay, and also m and n are co-prime. So that means m and n have no common factors other than 1. Okay, so let a greater than 0, m and n are integers, where m and n have no common factors other than 1, and obviously n should be greater than 0. Then a raised to m by n is equal to nth root of a raised to m, that is also can be written as nth root of a raised to m. So this is how the formula is. A raised to m by n is equal to nth root of a raised to m. So we have the extended law of exponents, where the base is a real number and the exponents are rational numbers are, for example, a is greater than 0 and p comma q are rational numbers. So what are the a raised to p into a raised to q is equal to a raised to p plus q. A raised to p by a raised to q is equal to a raised to p minus q, then a raised to p the whole raised to q is equal to a raised to pq, and the last one a raised to p into b raised to p is equal to ab the whole raised to p, where p and q are rational numbers. So these are the laws of exponents for real numbers, that is a is greater than 0, p and q are rational numbers. So these 4 laws we will be using to solve the problems. Now let us see some of the problems. So now we will be solving some of the problems using the laws of exponents for real numbers. The first one is 64 the whole raised to 1 by 2. So that will be equal to 8 square the whole raised to 1 by 2, that's equal to 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. So that's equal to 8. So we are here, we have used the law a raised to p the whole raised to q is equal to a raised to pq. Okay, so this is how you do the problem. The second one, 16 raised to 3 by 4. So that's equal to 2 raised to 4 the whole raised to 3 by 4, that's equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4, that's equal to 2 cube, is equal to 8. This is your second. This is how. Now here we can find the factors of 16 and get this 2 raised to 4. The third one, 125 the whole raised to minus 1 by 3. So how you are going to solve it? That's equal to 125 is 5 cube the whole raised to minus 1 by 3, that's equal to 5 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 3, that's 5 raised to minus 1 by 5. So this is how you solve problems using the laws of exponents for real numbers. That's all for today guys. Thank you and bye.